Physics. It's the subject that makes even the smartest students panic before exams. But what if I told you that this could be the subject that you revise the least for and still end up scoring an A star? I know it sounds impossible, but with the right strategy and right efforts, it's really not. This is a hot take, but I honestly feel like your textbook contains more than your resources that you have piled upon. So, for example, like you're revising from your Cambridge textbook. So, for whatever parts you don't understand, just highlight them and revise from your resources that you have. I mean, it will honestly save your revision time. Now, here's where most students go wrong. They try collecting notes from 10 different places and never finish one. You don't really need more material, you just need the right one. That's why I started using the Unbound You Physics Master Revision ebook. It basically comprises of the entire IGCSE Physics 0625 syllabus and is condensed into visuals to understand concepts better. And it's made by the top 1% of IGCSE tutors. So the focus is crystal clear and everything Cambridge can actually ask you is included in this. And honestly, I wish I had this earlier because instead of wasting time searching for random resources, I could have everything in just one ebook. It is literally a time saver. And you can get this formula ebook for free and the sample preview of the Physics Master Revision ebook in the description below. So make sure to check it out. Now, usually questions in physics usually begin with a formula, so the smartest thing I would advise is to create your own formula notes early on. Try writing down equations from the syllabus, not just random ones, and try testing yourself daily. So this technique actually helps in retaining the formulas better in your memory. And ultimately, the final thing, past papers. Past papers are literally a non-negotiable. You see, physics is purely application based. So try doing as many past papers as you can and try focusing on the application of physics concepts. It will help you to understand the formulas better. Scoring an A star in physics is not really that hard. All it requires is enough past papers and following a right strategy. Until then, make sure to hit the subscribe button below and follow us on Instagram for more such IGCSE content and study tips. Bye bye.